I am so excited to try AmpIt. I'm a lip girly anyways, and so I'm excited that I got my hands on AmpIt, which is a $22 product, but I had to pay like $7 for shipping, so it cost me $30 for this product. So yeah, I can't wait to review it. I just tracked it. It says it will be here tomorrow, April 2nd. Greetings. I've got a package. I received this April 2nd, but for some reason I just wanted to open it today. It's been a good day and I want that feel good feeling. So listen, I bought this the day of launch after I got off of work, and by the time I got off of work, everything was sold out except for AmpIt. And I am a lip girly. I haven't opened this package. I was boxing up stuff to take to storage, and I was like, wait, I haven't tried my POV yet. So let me use my nails. I just finished doing my nails. I'm about to actually run out to go do something, and I put a little red lip on, and I thought, ooh, I want to make it pop some more and try some of that AmpIt. Hold on. I'm about to use this end of the comb to open this. I'm just now opening it. First impressions. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's cute. I love that it opens up beauty from every angle. I love that. Beauty from every angle. It's a cute unboxing. Point of view. Ooh, I love it. Beauty from every angle. Point of view. I'm excited to introduce you to Point of View, a brand created with you in mind. As a community, we each have a unique POV, especially with our beauty regimens. Point of View inspires you to get creative with your canvas. Get out of your comfort zone, try something new, and experiment. Beauty isn't about rules, it's about perspective. Makeup shouldn't be intimidating, and I hope to inspire you to become your very own makeup artist. As I have often said, it all starts with skin prep. When your skin is happy and healthy, your makeup looks and feels even better. So are you ready to discover your POV? Michaela, I love that. Okay, let's get to what I've been waiting for. AmpIt. AmpIt. I just ripped it off. It says, apply generously to lips as needed for glowing hydration. I love a good lip that looks like it's lip gloss, but with it, that's what I've been waiting for. I would have tried it on clean lips, but since I'm about to head out, I'm gonna put it over my red lip. I like it, and I'm gonna throw it in my purse. Ooh, the applicator tip experience. So let's see, let's squeeze that. Ooh, it comes out nicely. I like the applicator tip. Let's put it on my lips. Ooh. Ooh, I like the way it smells. Very nice. Now this gave a little goes a long way. Ooh, I like the way I might put too much, but it said apply generously, so I like that's how I get off the excess. I just do my finger like that, so I try not to get it on my teeth. I love it. I like let's bring the light in closer. I don't know about you, but I love a nice glossy lip. Let's change the color. I love it. It gave my lips the pop of glow that I love. And I am gonna head out to run my errands. Overall, AmpIt is a great product. It was judged on 3 categories: applicator tip, smell, glossy lip. And the final score is 26.5 out of 30. Look what I got. About to head out, and I wanted to add some finishing touches to my lipsticks. The Emily in Paris Bonjour Blossom. It's currently on my lips, and we're gonna top it off with some AmpIt. I love a good glossy lip. What do you think? I love it. Glossy look that I love. I love it. AmpIt is great. I finally got to try AmpIt in the daylight without lipstick, just bare lips and AmpIt. And I must say, I love it either way, with just AmpIt or as a topping glossy, glowy layer over lipstick. I recommend it.